Hello, fella.
How are you?
Here we all are. Rob Wilcox, everyone.
Currently on our way to Oxford. Rob's sitting next to me. We're on the front row. We're powering through these peasants below. I think he's going to overshoot it when they're up in Glasgow.
Here we are then, we've come to the amusement park. Rob Wilcox is with me, the shoots are ruined. And we're just wondering where the other two are. The fireworks have begun. Still no sign of Ethan and Johnny.
Dead. They didn't make it. Someone dropped their burger.
Oh no! Rob's got his glasses on, you can see now. Oh, now they got them.
Yeah.
Whoa! This is like the end of Rob's epic journey through life. Kicking off big time. Screamers. Oh gosh, what happened?
He's throwing up right now.
Oh fuck.
So, well, Ethan's just waiting for him to stop throwing up and then see how he feels. So he might want to go home.
Yeah. Has he had too much to drink already?
No, that's the first thing I said. Like, oh, you've been drinking.
Yeah. Oh, he's ill, is he? Is it contagious?
I don't know.
I hope not. I don't want to be thundering.
Yeah. Look at that.
Wow. That's amazing. That was incredible.
Let's try and summon
Wonderful atmosphere here in Oxford. Unfortunately, Johnny's over in some other part of Oxford being sick, but at least the fire is lit, if you'll pardon the pun.
Luigi, number one.
Here we are.
And he was properly mauled. And then all of a sudden he just like turned and looked at me and went, "What's the buzzing?" And we were like, "What?" And he was like, "What's the buzzing?" I was like, "It's the fridge." And he was like, "Oh." And he was like, "Do you have a fan? Because I need some white noise." I was like, "What about the fridge?" And he was like, "No, I need some blowing on me."
A tough start, but a productive one. Oh dear.
Take two.
To
But basically, well, I say to your good health, to Johnny's good health. Let's hope he survives this one.
Cheers.
Cheers, lads. Good to be here.
I'm not even going to ask him if he's okay. I think I know the answer. I think he's going to have to stay here tonight. Do you want double execute authentic fin?
Yeah. Do you get any free toppings?
No, I don't think so. Oh,
Double pepperoni minus half the pepperoni.
Do you know what you do get though? Pony cum jar sauce. We're ordering. We like that on.
But it just doesn't feel so off. I don't. To be fair, I feel okay now, but then.
You. And you left out one of our things and gave us something different instead.
You did.
We ordered. Pizza. What was it, Rob? It was jalapeno bites and chicken like combo. Okay, you know what? Okay, cool. Cheers, mate.
Sounds okay.
Okay, no worries. That's what I like. Cheers, mate.
That was say anything. Just
that was entirely my fault. There. Just find the delivery driver up instead of the shop, and I was like, "Yeah, you gave me the wrong thing." And we got a free cookie out of it, so
I'll get him.
it's better than nothing.
Yeah, that's a result. They should mess up our orders more next time.
Got not caught with them. It should have been out of sight at half time. They should have had 5 or 6 goals.
What are you doing?
Get to this.
When
he
he
was
first,
doing like a really
Yeah.
peaceful little story. He was just
Yeah.
on his back.
that's what I was gonna say. When he first went to sleep, he had his really lovely little cartoon. It was like, and I was just sitting there in bed watching fucking that Jules guys walk around London.
Been seen pretty down recently.
I think
I'm guessing you've
No.
been feeling the same, Talia.
tea in a polystyrene cup, too much milk in it. You can't say that's Tory. That's boot fair, bro. Stone's an extremely Jewish name, isn't it? Harry Yale, Victoria. Huge. It's the hugest story. Such a Tory. Same energy all the time.
November 2019. It's a beautiful autumn morning. We're all
Nice and crisp and chilled.
we're all awake. Rob's just gone for an emergency shit. About to head our own ways back home to Meadows Way. And so we begin the journey. Ethan waves goodbye. And we start to make our way back to Medway. The first leg of the Grand Tour is complete. It was a 2-day event which saw Blaze make the trip up yesterday. Unfortunately, he had to pussy out of tonight's one, or last night's one. But overall, a very good evening.
She's a party, y'all, y'all,